Hey friends, do you know how to turn your creativity into big money? The ultimate guide to monetizing prompts on PromptBase. If you've got the knack for creating killer prompts for iChamps like ChatGPT and Midjourney, guess what? You can turn that talent into an online money-making machine. 1. So, here's the deal. PromptBase. It's this cool online hub that hooks up wordsmiths like you with businesses and folks on the hunt for snazzy prompts for their gigs. 2. Sell your prompts on PromptBase and stack up those rupees while cutting down on those API bills. 3. But hold on, there's a twist. To really make your prompts pop and bring in the big money, you've got to master the PromptBase playground. Be unique, be top-notch. 4. Want to go the extra mile? Offer custom prompt engineering services to clients craving awesome prompts for their setups. Be the prompt guru they need. 5. And don't stop there, my friend. Dive into extra income streams like generated art, teaching, and crafting. One-of-a-kind prompts for all sorts of tasks. And here's the juicy part. You'll find the website link in the pinned comment and description for your reference. It's time to make those prompts rain money. Smash that subscribe button and let's get this pace of Ashul party started.